The next topic we are going to see from the lesson transpiration. Transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration, the loss of water in the form of water vapor. Okay, so removal of the water. How it is removal? Water having likewise means it's not possible to do. So water, it's converted into vapor. Okay, so vapor means what, Rama? Water vapor. It is in a gaseous condition of water from the aerial parts of the plant body is called the transpiration. The loss of water in the form of a water vapor. Loss of water in the form of water vapor. Okay, from the aerial parts. Aerial parts means air conducting plant part, that is only we called as an aerial plant. Okay, எது air conduct பண்ணுவோம், leaf, stem, so likewise parts. Okay, it is having that in a aerial aerial parts of the plant body is called the transpiration. The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant body is called a transpiration. Okay, is it clear, Rama? Aeroட காண்டக்ட் ஆயிருக்க பிளேஸில் வாட்டர் ரிமூவ் ஆகும். Okay, that is we called as a transpiration. Okay, the leaves have tiny holes. Leaves, it having in a tiny holes, microscopic, or it is not able to see that in our normal eye. We are able to see through that in a microscope only, is called a stomata. So what is the structure? This is a structure. It is a microscopic structure. Okay, it is present in plants. Okay, it is a tiny means very small, and a microscopic. Pore means holes. Okay, this is a hole, this is a opening. So this way alone it is enter into inside that. Water evaporates through these stomata. Okay, in the stomata alone it is allowed to the water in the outside. Each stomata is surrounded by guard cell. Guard cell means this is a guard cell. You see that it is a bean shape. What is the shape? It is a bean shape. So bean shape, each stomata is surrounded by a guard cell. This is a two guard cells is there. These guard cell helps in regulating the rate of the transpiration by opening and closing of stomata. Okay, so these guard cell, what it is doing, transpiration rate, speed. Rate means it's nothing but in a speed வந்து regulate பண்ணும். And also opening and closing of the stomata, it is occur by through the process of opening and closing of the stomata only. Okay ma, so you have to mark it. This is three lines for what is transpiration. You write a 1 2 3 4 points, and also drawing. Likewise you have to label the parts also for in a, this is one of the 4 mark. Okay, what is that in a question? Explain the structure of stomata. Explain the structure of stomata. So what is stomata? What is the function it is doing? What it is having in a two sides? So likewise we are going to write. Okay ma. The next one is types of transpiration. So what is the types of transpiration? Three types it is: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration. So stomata means, you know that stomata, it allow the water in outside means that is a stomatal transpiration. 90 to 95% it is transferred from the leaves only. Then cuticular, how you pronounce it is not a cuticular. Okay, it is a cuticular. Okay, you want to pronounce like this. The loss of water in a parts of the plant through cuticle. You do able to see the leaf difference dama. So leaves வந்து front சைடுக்கும் பேக் சைடுக்கும் நிறைய டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்கும். Why it is? Because it is in a gel like substance. அதோட டிரான்ஸ்பிரேஷன் அவாய்ட் பண்ணணுங்கிறதுக்காண்டி ஜெல் லைக் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அதோட லீஃபோட டாப்பில் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி வி கால்ட் ஆஸ் இன் எ கியூட்டிக்கல். okay ma. So cuticle it is allow the water vapor in outside means that is we called as a cuticular transpiration. Next one, lenticular transpiration. Lenticular transpiration means loss of water from plants as vapor through the lenticel. So lenticel வழியா plant vapor வந்து occur ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா lenticel means what it is? It is a opening that protrude from that in a parks மரப்பட்டையில் மரப்பட்டைன்னு சொல்லுவோம்மா. ஸோ அதில் உள்ள ஓப்பனிங் தான் இதை என்ன நேம் பண்ணுவோம், லெண்டிசல். ஸோ தட் அலோ த வாட்டர் இன் அவுட் சைட் மீன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் வி கால்ட் அஸ் லெண்டிகுலர் transpiration. But 90 to 90% stromatal transpiration only occur. Remaining only it is happen likewise. Stromatal, cuticular, lenticular. So in your book back question it is given as for detail it is, but no need to study. Stromata means stromatal respiration means stromata, cuticular respiration means cuticle, lenticular respiration means lenticel. This alone your study means that enough for that. Okay, that's enough for that. But this alone you know miss that enough, but you want to know that in a names of transpiration. So write the types of transpiration means you write a name alone. Stromatal transpiration number 1, cuticular transpiration number 2, lenticular transpiration number 3. Okay, okay ma. The next one, transpiration want to occur means what are the needs it is needed. Exchange of gases. How does plant get air? Okay, air, how plants how it is take air ma. That is, the leaves have minute pores called stomata. You know that this is stomata. Okay, so through the stomata exchange of air it is take place. These minute pores can seen through that in a microscope. Air exchange take place continuously through the stomata. So plant exchanges, exchange of gases, that is a carbon dioxide, oxygen, it is happened through that in a stomata only. Okay, this alone it is given in a lesson for you. Okay, so one more activity it is given to you. What it is means, it is in a very simple one. You cover that. Okay, cover that and keep it the one part of the plant alone. You cover that. Okay, cover பண்ணிட்டு the plant you keep it that in experiment in that in a sunlight means what happen after a few hours, what happen, you remove that in a cover means cover inside you are able to see that in a what it is, water drops. Okay, so what happened means the water it is coming outside through the stomata as in a vapor. Okay, here if we touch that in a cover after it is getting a cooling. Okay, cooling after it is repeatedly come to that in a water stage, so that water only it is having that. Okay ma, so this experiment prove that transpiration occur in a plants. Okay ma. So what do you want to do? This questions also you mark. What are the need of transpiration? For these 4 needs you have to write. It create pull in the leaf and stem. It creates pull in the leaf and stem. So what happened? So root it take water. Okay, it is against gravity it want to move. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, gravity always keep 13 work in a downwards only, but against 13 gravity it wants to move. So it is in a one of the pull in that in a leaf and stem. Water எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு புல்லாக வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுது. It creates absorption of force in roots. Yes, then it is necessary for continuous supply of minerals. Okay, minerals also it is transported from the root onwards, like it regulates the temperature of the plant. Okay, temperature it is maintained. So என்னாகும், water evaporate ஆகலாட்டி the plant will be die. ஓகே, அந்த ஹீட் தாங்காமல் என்ன ஆயிரும், பேர்ன் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி த வாட்டர் த்ரூ த வாட்டரை எவாப்ரேட் பண்ணி வெளியில் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடுச்சுன்னா வாட் ஹேப்பன், வாட்டர் வந்து வாட்டர் வேப்பராக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அந்த ஹீட் எனர்ஜியை வந்து இது யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குது. ஓகேம்மா. you mark it this 2 mark also. So today how many 2 marks are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, totally 7 2 marks, and then 4 marks are 1 2 3. Okay, totally 3 4 marks. Okay ma. Book exercise we see that in a next week you try and mark. I send it on in a next week. Okay, thank you.